Hey everyone, welcome back to our series on building a directory website using Divi 5 theme and GeoDirectory. In the previous video, we'll show you how to create a pricing section to display these packages on the front end, plus how to add links in Join Now button and a CTA section using GeoDirectory and Divi 5 theme. In today's video, we'll show you how to design the add listing page and make the long listing submission form more user-friendly by adding multiple steps with the GeoBuddy multi-step form add-on. So let's get started. Before designing the add listing page, what we will do is set this join page in the menu. For that, we need to go into the dashboard, go to appearance, and then go to menus. Then here, the new page that has appeared called Join, we will select it and click on Add to Menu. After that, what we will do is drag it. Oh, it has been added to the footer menu. We will delete it from here. First, we will select the GD primary menu, which is appearing in the header. After that, we will select Join and click on Add to Menu. Then we will drag it and place it above Add Listing. We will delete Add Listing from here. Then we will click on Save Menu to save it. Coming to the front end, we will refresh the page. Look guys, the join page has appeared here. Now if we click on it, we will go to the join page. After that, we can go to the Add Listing page according to the packages. So after coming to the add listing page, you will see that the add listing page is currently in a basic design, right? Like this. We will give it a bit of a design. For that, we need to go into the WordPress dashboard inside GeoDirectory settings. Then inside pages. After that, the one appearing here as add listing page, we will click on the action and click on edit page. After that, we will design it according to our needs using the Divi theme. So we will click on Use Divi Builder. Now it is loading. After clicking on Edit with Divi Builder again, our Add Listing Pages Divi Builder will open. So now we will first open a pre-made layout in it. Opening the row, the text inside the column, right? We will delete it from here. And inside this column, we will put another text. Before that, we will give the section a background color, an orange type. Then we will put a heading block inside it. Here you can also put the page title dynamically, or you can also write it, add listing. Okay, we will write it like this. Add listing. Let's come to the page title name design. Coming to the heading text, we will make it H2. We will set the heading font family style. We will make the font weight semi-bold. We will set the alignment to center. We will make the heading color white. We will set the size to 36 pixels. Done. Now we will take another section below this inside the full content. Here we will take a code block. Then we will put the short code in it, the add listing one. We will put the short code from here, the add listing short code. We will keep the default post type as auto. We will keep everything else as default, okay? From here, we will set the border color to none. And by opening advanced, you can do customization from here. We will keep it default here and copy the short code. Then we will paste it here. Now, what we will do is give this column a bit of style. For this, we won't give a background color, we will give a border. For that, we need to come to design. We will come to spacing. First, we will add spacing, padding from the top. Okay, 30 pixels. And we will link it with 30 pixels from the left and right as well. Then we come to border. We will set the border radius to 12 pixels on all sides. We will set the border width to 1 pixel, and we will make the border color a very white type, a color like this, with very low opacity. And the border style will remain solid. If you want to give a box shadow, you can. So in our case, we will keep it like this. just by giving a border. Then we will save it. Now we will come to the add listing page and refresh the page. Look guys, it looks so professional now. A hero banner for ad listing has appeared, and the details of the ad listing form have appeared. The sidebar has been removed. It looks so good. Now, let's move to the main topic. When a business owner submits a listing through the ad listing form, they often need to fill in a large amount of information. If the form appears too long or overwhelming, users may lose interest and feels bored. To solve this problem, GeoBuddy offers a powerful multi-step form add-on. As mentioned in the previous video, GeoBuddy is the main plugin, and the multi-step form is one of its add-ons. By enabling this feature, a long listing form is automatically divided into clear step-by-step sections, creating a much smoother and more user-friendly experience. The add-on also includes multiple design styles and layout options, allowing you to choose the look that best matches your website. So, I will show you how to set it up. So for this, we need to go into the WordPress dashboard. Then look, guys, this GeoBuddy plugin, its add-on name is multi-step form. Okay, so because of the multi-step form, we can divide this long ad listing form with the help of many styles. One is the steps bar. First, let's try applying this style. After that, the percentage bar will appear. So let's click on the steps bar to change the step. After that, look, we can also change the form style. We can set the progress bar type to steps bar or percentage bar. Then for the form style, we have steps, fade, and slide, right? We can do all of this. And the active color, as well as the color for when a step is completed. So I will show you step by step what can be done here. And if you fill out a form in each step and you want to save that step, you need to turn this button on. You can also change its name. The button name could be save or go or anything else, right? So I will show you one by one. First, let's save the changes with the default settings and see. We have saved it. After that, we need to go into the CPT settings. Then look, a field will appear here called steps. This is the field for the multi-step forms add-on. We need to add this field. Let's click on it. To test this step, let's name it first step. After that, we save it. And we will save it once more. Done. After that, we will drag it to the top. Now, which fields do you want to keep inside this first step? For example, packages, expiry, title, description, right? Let's create another step. Let's create 3 or 4 steps. Let's create the third step. And let's create one more step, the fourth, right? We have created 4 steps. Now, let's arrange these steps, right? We will put the second step after the description. We will keep the third step for social media. Yes, let's put phone number, email, and social media inside that. And in the fourth step, we will put video, special offers, and business hours, right? The first step will contain package, expiry date, title, description, and so on. The second step will contain tags, category, address, and images. The third step will contain social media details. And the fourth step will contain video, special offers, and business hours, right? Come on, let's go to the ad listing form. Let's refresh the page. Now watch, it's going to be amazing. Look at this, guys. First, second, third, fourth. It's appearing with a great style. These will be the active colors. From here, let's go into our GeoDirectory settings, right? Coming here, we will go into the multi-step form settings. After that, look, this active color is orange. It's appearing as orange here. Now let's complete one step. Look, it has moved to one step. Now, let's test this step by entering dummy data. We will go to the second step. Boom, guys, look. Now its style is appearing stepwise, and the progress bar for the steps bar is appearing as a steps bar type, right? This is the steps bar. The part that is finished turns green, and the current one is orange. So let's apply another style. Let's change the step bars to percentage. Let's change the percentage color to blue. Click on Save Changes to save it. Let's come back. Let's reload this. Boom, guys, look. It's currently on the first step. 25%, since there are 4 steps, it will go up to 100%. For testing purposes, let's click Next. After that, look, the second step has appeared. And look here, it has moved to step 2. It has become 50%. So we had changed its color too, this blue type. So this color is also appearing as blue. Now if we set it to fade, let's set the normal speed to fast, 200 milliseconds, and click Save Changes to save it. After that, we will come back to the Add Listing form and refresh the page. After that, look guys, we are currently on the first step. For testing purposes, we will click Next, so the style will change. Watch, did you see? What was appearing first? It was appearing below. Now, that first step has completely hidden. Now we have moved to the second step, right? Now, if we fill in the details form and go to the second one, we will go to the third option, to the third step. So look, the third step has appeared. Now it has come to the third number, and it's not appearing above or below. Its style will be like this, the fade one. Now for the slide one, we will click on Save Changes to save it. So guys, let's refresh this page once. Now for dummy purposes, we will fill in the details and click Next. So its style will change. Look guys, did you see? It slid in, right? Now it will slide in. The steps, we have slide into the second step. Now we will click Next. So look, it has slide in. Now its style will remain like this. So we click Next. So it has come to the fourth step and its step is 100%. After that, its style is fast. This is the animation speed. You can set it to fast, normal, or slow here, right? Now, let's see. If we save this, first, let's just save it by clicking on Save Changes to check. Then, we'll come back to the Add Listing page and reload it. We can save each step individually. For instance, we filled this one out. We entered the expiry date, right? After that, look guys, the Save button has appeared. Now, we will click on Save. So look, it will be saved. If we click Next, you will see guys that our Save button has appeared in the second step as well. If we fill out this form too and click the Save button to save it, then if we come back to this page later, we can start from here again. That is why we have included this Save button. So those were all the options we had for the multi-step form. We have shown you the step bar percentage option. We have also shown you the Show Progress Bar option. Apart from this, you can manage the color, active color, and form style, all thanks to this multi-step form add-on. To purchase this, you need to visit the WpGeobuddy.com site, which we will include in the video's description box. After that, look, if you want full access to the GeoBuddy plugin, you will need to go to membership. Once there, click on Buy Membership and you will see 3 plans offered for a single site, 5 sites, and unlimited sites. And if you want, you can also purchase the add-ons separately. For example, this is the full GeoBuddy plugin, which includes everything. After that, there is the GeoBuddy multi-step form add-on. You will find all these add-ons here. So we have shown you our add listing form in its entirety, and we have also demonstrated how to make it convenient for business owners so they don't feel bored, which you can achieve using the multi-step add-on. So that's it for our directory site series, which we are completing today. We also provide directory website development services. If you need a customized solution for your directory website, we're here to help. You can hire us at buddydevelopers.com. You can also follow us on our other social media channels. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.